Hello viewers, in this video I'll be going over WTI crude oil, ETF ticker symbol USO. On the 1 hour chart, we may approach the positive MACD. Ideally we want it to turn positive. That's a healthy condition and downtrend. We do not want to overexert and remain negative for a very long period of time. And on the 4 hour chart, we started to see a possible bottoming at the moment, but I won't quite bet on it. On the daily chart, we are oversold on the daily RSI, and at the moment we are down 65 basis points and we have about 4 hours left in trading. And at the moment we are at somewhat of a support that dated back to December of last year and November of last year. So this is immediate support. I wouldn't quite count on it as support now because we are currently oversold. That's why we found some bottoming, and we could have a possibility of reversing and touching what it looks like to be the 9-day moving average, and that price level also coincides with past uptrend resistance. So that price is at 1150, and so if we were to reverse and head on higher, that price movement would be about, it will be 7% move up. However, if we do continue on down, the next support is what you see there, right here, where we had the Christmas Day crash, and we could see a drop of possibly 12.5% drop. It's a possibility. Anything can happen in commodities. So on the next module, I'll compare today's current trend with this trend that dated back to April 21st, 2015 to July 16, 2015. I'll point out why these two charts are similar. So what we have here in the beginning of the trend, we were above the middle Bollinger Band and we remain on higher, and then we see sideways action for a period of time, and then we proceeded lower in the down channel, overexerting, going slightly or below the bottom Bollinger Band to extreme cases. And we see that action right here as well. What we see in the beginning of the trend, candlesticks above the middle Bollinger Band, and then we see sideways action for several days, and then we proceeded to breach at certain points below the bottom Bollinger Band. So what we see here, I'll just mark it if you don't see it. So that is oversold condition right there and right here as well. So what we have here is 1, 2, 3, 4 points, and also 1, 2, 3, 4 points. So there's reason to believe that the trends and patterns are similar. The outcome would also be similar. So let's head to the forecast model. So the chart we took a look at was April 21st, 2015 to July 16, 2015. So I'll go day by day where WTI crude oil went to. So 1 day out, 2 days out, 3 days out, 4 days out, 5 days out, and 6 days out, 7 days out. So back then, WTI fell about roughly 8.7%. That's quite a lot. Again, this is just a forecast, and here's the line graph that I compared it to, and the current trend and the 2015 trend. So that is all. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.